In this video, I am going to tell you the two different ways to use this tiny English word. First of all, how do you pronounce it? Once. Once. Hello everybody. This is Learn English with Gaetana. If you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta. If you are new to the channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to it. If you are not new to the channel, don't forget to smash the like button. In addition, whenever you watch my videos, please leave your comments. Alright, once. We can use the word once as an adverb. In addition to that, sometimes we can use it as a conjunction. ዋንስ የምትለዋን ቃል አንዳንድ ጊዜ እንደ አድቨርብ መጠቀም እንችላለን። አንዳንድ ጊዜ እንደ conjunction ወይንም ደግሞ እንደ አያያዥ መጠቀም እንችላለን። Alright, let's see one by one. So, once as a conjunction. Firstly, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word or group of words that is used to link words, phrases and clauses. If you want to glue or connect words, phrases or clauses, you can use conjunctions. ቃልን ከቃል፣ ሐረግን ከሐረግ፣ አረፍተ ነገርን ከአረፍተ ነገር ለማያያዝ ከፈለጋችሁ ምን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? Conjunction. So, similarly, you can use once as a conjunction, but with a meaning of as soon as or when. ነገር ግን onceን እንደ conjunction ስትጠቀሟት ትርጉሟ ምን ይሆናል? when ወይንም ደግሞ as soon as የሚሉትን እነዚህን ሁለቱን ቃላቶች መተካት ትችላለች። As you know, as soon as and when are conjunctions. What type of conjunctions are they? They are subordinating conjunctions. So, we can use once as a subordinating conjunction to replace either as soon as or when. Okay, once የምትለዋን ቃል የas soon asን ወይንም ደግሞ whenን የሚሉትን ሁለቱን የsubordinating conjunctions አይነቶች በመተካት መጠቀም እንችላለን። ያም ማለት once ማለት when ማለት ነው። እንደገና once ማለት as soon as ማለት ነው። So once, as soon as and when are similar. They are the same. Okay? ተመሳሳይ ናቸው ሶስቱ ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ሶስቱም እንደ conjunction መጠቀም እንችላለን። So they are interchangeable too. Okay? As soon as, once and also when are interchangeable. Alright, let's see some example sentences. The first one is, once we finish our final exam, we will organize a party. So, look at the first word of my sentence. It is once. Once we finish our final exam, we will organize a party. So, we can replace when in place of once. That means we can say, when we finish our final exam, we will organize a party. እነዚህ ሁለቱም አረፍተ ነገሮች ምንድናቸው? They are the same. And the second example is, once I finish the assignment, I will call you. So we have once at the beginning of our sentence. Once means when or as soon as. So once as a conjunction, it means when or as soon as. Alright, the next one is, there is something that you shouldn't forget here. What is that? The future forms must be in the main clause, not in the once clause. Okay? ሌላኛው እዚህ ጋር ማወቅ ያለብን future clause መጻፍ ያለበት በማን clause ላይ ነው? በሜን clause ላይ ነው እንጂ በonce clause ላይ አይደለም። As you know, once clause is a dependent clause. That means we cannot write will plus V1 in our dependent clause. Instead, it is advisable to write it in our main clauses. So we have to say, once we finish our final exam, we will organize a party. But we cannot say once we will finish our final exam, we will organize a party. This is not correct because we cannot write will clauses in our dependent clause. And instead we have to write it in our main clause. ይሄ የሚያሳየው ምንድነው? ምንጊዜም will clauseን መጻፍ ያለብን ምን ላይ ነው? main clauseአችን ላይ ነው እንጂ once clauseአችን ላይ ወይንም ደግሞ dependent clause ላይ አይደለም። Another example, once you click the subscribe button, you will get notifications for all videos. Okay, once you click ነው እንጂ ያልነው once you will click ማለት አንችልም። And the last one is once I finish the assignment is correct, but once I will finish the assignment, this is not correct. ወደፊትም ተማሪ ከሆናችሁ ፈተና ላይ ሊመጣባችሁ ይችላል። once I finish ነው እንጂ የሚባለው once I will finish አይባልም። ለምንድን? ምክንያቱም future form መጻፍ ያለበት main clause ላይ ነው እንጂ dependent clause ላይ ወይንም ደግሞ once clauseአችሁ ላይ አይደለም። So, have you got my points? If you have got my points, don't forget to smash the like button. And the second one is we can use once as an adverb. But as you know, there are different kinds of adverbs. For example, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, etc. But we can use once as an adverb of frequency. So what is an adverb of frequency? As you know, adverb of frequency is a word which shows the repetition or the frequency of an action. የአንድን ድርጊት ድግግሞሽ የሚያሳይልን ቃል ምን ይባላል? adverb of frequency ይባላል። So we can use once as an adverb of frequency. For example, my kids take their vitamins once a day. So once a day. And this sentence, once a day, once means on one single occasion. በዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ once የምትለዋ ምንን represent ታደርጋለች ወይንም ምን ማለት ነው? on one single occasion ማለት ነው። So once a day means daily እንደማለት ነው፣ በቀን አንድ ጊዜ ማለት ነው። And the second one is our department holds a staff meeting once a week. So we have once a week. It is an adverb of frequency. Once a day, once a week. And the third one is Rebecca visits her parents once a month. So once a month is an adverb of frequency. And the last one is we celebrate New Year once a year. So once a day, once a week, once a month, once a year are known as adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are used to answer questions which begin with how often or how frequently. Adverbs of frequency የሚባሉት how often ወይንም how frequently ብለው የሚጀምሩ የጥያቄ አይነቶችን ለመመለስ ይጠቅሙናል። So, if someone asks you, how often do your kids take their vitamins? You can say once a day. My kids, or you can say my kids take their vitamins once a day. So once a day is an adverb of frequency. And the second one is how often does your department hold a staff meeting? You can say once a week. And the third one is how often does Rebecca visit her parents? You can say once a month. And the last one is if someone asks you, how often do you celebrate New Year? You can say once a year. So once a day, once a week, once a month, and once a year are known as adverbs of frequency. ስለዚህ onceን እንደምን መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት ነው? እንደተወሳከ ግስ መጠቀም እንችላለን ነው። ኦኬ one time ማለት ነው፣ አንድ ጊዜ ማለት ነው። once ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? one time ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን we rarely use one time, okay? When you make sentences, when you write sentences, you know, we rarely use one time. One time የሚለውን ያን ያክል አንጠቀምበትም። በነገር ግን በዋን ታይም ቦታ ማን መጠቀም እንችላለን? ዋንስ የሚለውን መጠቀም እንችላለን። Okay, and finally now let's say three fixed expressions with once. The first one is at once. Okay, at once is a fixed expression that you can use to mean simultaneously. ልብ አድርጉ። at once የምትለዋን እንትን expression simultaneously ለማለት መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። For example, my computer helps me do multiple tasks at once. That means at once means simultaneously. And the second one is once upon a time. I think all of you know this one. If you want to start traditional stories, you can begin with once upon a time. ለምሳሌ ተረት ለልጆች መናገር ስትፈልጉ ምን ብላችሁ መጀመር ትችላላችሁ? Once upon a time. For example, once upon a time, an old man discovered a mysterious golden key. So once upon a time is used to begin the story. And the last one is once in a blue moon. So what does it mean? What does once in a blue moon mean? That means rarely or almost never ማለት ነው። ይቺ almost ልክ እንደ adverb of frequency ነው የምንጠቀማት። Never, as you know, it is an adverb of frequency. In addition, rarely is also an adverb of frequency. So if someone says, I have breakfast once in a blue moon, that means he or she never has breakfast ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት ቁርስ በፍጹም አይበላም ማለት ነው። አንድ ሰው I have breakfast once in a blue moon ካለ ያ ማለት ቁርስ በፍጹም አይበላም ማለት ነው። And the second one is I drink coffee once in a blue moon. That means አንድን ሰው I drink coffee once in a blue moon ሲል ከሰማችሁት ያ ማለት he or she never drinks coffee ማለት ነው። በፍጹም ምን ያደርግም? ቡና አይጠጣም ማለት ነው። Or he or she rarely drinks coffee ማለት ነው። ያን ያክል ቡና አይጠጣም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ወደ ምን የተጠጋ ነው ማለት ነው? ወደ ኔጌቲቭ የተጠጋ ነው። once in a blue moon ማለት ወደ never የተጠጋ ነው ማለት ነው። So that is all that I have for today. Do you understand me? If you understand me, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. In addition, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, stay safe.